Look here at the history of Suburban Golf Club, located in Union, New Jersey. This historical private country club was established March 23rd, 1896. It has seen the golden age of golf architects such as Masterpiece, redesigned by A.W. Tillinghast, and has made some of the most respectable and classic layouts here in the metropolitan area. This course is one of the top-notch facilities in regards to premier destinations. The club was originally founded in 1896 by a large group of men in the neighborhood city of Elizabeth. The original layout here was founded and built by golf architect Tom Bendelow, who was hired by the club to build an 18-hole golf course at the current location. As the club grew, members wanted a true testament and an 18-hole championship venue. They hired elite architect A.W. Tillinghast in 1920. Tillinghast famously convinced his members to scrap the old layout entirely and build a top-tier 18-hole golf course in 1922. In the decades earlier, the club had accessibility through public transportation, with its own station for a trolley line that went right through the 7th tee and the 6th green. It also sits right above a geographical water basin that serves as a water source from the historical Elizabeth River. While maintaining its tight niche club culture, it stands out from one of the few elite private courses that does not require a tee time when walking in. Its master plan has seen some changes in 1999 by redesign by modern-day golf architects, who removed thousands of overgrown trees to open up the landscape. It rebuilt 82 classic Tillinghast bunkers and also expanded a small push to its original 1922 dimensions. Overall, the course sits as a par 71, 6,525 yards. Its course record is an incredible 63 by a PGA player, and sits as one of the top-tier destinations, hosting the 2012 U.S. Open and the 2008 New Jersey State Open, with many more to come. That's it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to understanding the history of this course. There's so much great history here that we're missing. Hopefully we'll do an update video in the near future, but more importantly, we want to hear from you. Have you played this course? Do you have any information on these courses? Let us know down in the comment section. Hopefully we'll take that information and do an update video in the near future. In the meantime, take a look at some of the other videos that have now popped up on the screen. We also typically try to play these courses, but we're not going to get into them anytime soon, if ever. So we want to dedicate a video on its history as we did here. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come with the Professor.